Hi, we will install IntelliJ IDEA to our Windows PC. First, we open Google Chrome and look for IntelliJ IDEA, download. Then we will choose the first option and the download IntelliJ IDEA has come. We will choose the community version. Now it is start downloading. I have downloaded it before. This is the file that we will install. Double click on it. Yes. And we will continue by next, then next again, and install. As installation finishes, and we choose Run IntelliJ IDEA and finish. Now we have to confirm and accept the agreement. Then continue. Yes, we can open new project, or we can open an existing projects, or we can get it from the GitHub. We have completed our installation.